Welcome to Me News. I am Miraya. PIL has been filed before the Allahabad High Court seeking the disqualification of all 99 Congress MPs, arguing that the party's Ghar Ghar Guarantee scheme, launched during the Lok Sabha poll campaign, amounted to bribery under law. The public interest litigation, PIL, has also sought direction against the Election Commission of India, ECI, accusing it of failing to act against the Congress campaign. Despite the ECI's advisory issued on May 2 this year, warning political parties against such practices, the petition alleged that the Congress continued its distribution of these cards, compromising the fairness of the electoral process. According to the PIL, the Ghar Ghar Guarantee scheme involves the distribution of guarantee cards that promise various financial and material benefits in exchange of votes. The promise amounts to bribery under Section 123(1)(a) of the Representation of Peoples Act, 1951 and is punishable under Sections 171(b) and 171(e) of the Indian Penal Code, it said. So all 99 Congress MPs who were elected in this year's election must be declared disqualified as per existing law, the PIL said. Alleging that the MPs have benefited from the Ghar Ghar Guarantee scheme, the petitioner also sought criminal proceedings against them. The PIL criticized the ECI for its inaction, accusing it of neglecting its constitutional duty to ensure free and fair elections. The petitioner has sought directions from the court to compel the ECI to suspend or withdraw the Congress's recognition as a political party under Section 16(a) of the Election Symbols, Reservation and Allotment Order, 1968. This legal challenge highlights the growing concern over the ECI's role in maintaining electoral integrity, urging the court to take decisive action to protect the democratic process in India, the PIL said. The petition filed by Bharati Devi of Fatehpur district has also called for urgent judicial intervention to uphold electoral integrity. The PIL is likely to be taken up by the High Court soon.